In this video, I'm going to explain how to do the 10th question in my DBMS question set. The question is, Kabidikollawa Central College was the only active school in the area during war season. There were only 15 students in the school. Also, there were only 5 teachers and one of them was the principal of the school. The principal decided to add all the students' details in a student's attendance marking system so that he would be able to mark the attendance after the main morning assembly at once. Think you are a reputed database engineer and the principal requested to make a database while another developer is developing the system. The details have been given below. Create a database named Kabidikollawa School and insert these data to the tables graphically. After you created the database, the principal wanted to check your database for bugs. He has given you some scenarios. Read them carefully and write queries to get results. According to the details that have been given to me here, I have to create 4 tables for student, grade, village and transport. Then I will have to foreign key the grade, village and transport tables to the student table. I will be creating this database through an ER diagram using the MySQL Workbench. In the workbench, first I'm opening a new model. And I'm giving the database name as Kabidikollawa School. Then I'm opening an ER diagram to create the tables. First, for the student table, I'm giving the columns ID, name and birthday. For the ID column, I'm giving it the primary key and an auto increment. For the name column, I'm separating it as the first name and last name and given the data type as Vacha. For the birthday, I'm giving the data type as date. In the grade table, there are 2 columns for ID and grade. For ID column, I have given the primary key and an auto increment with the data type int, and for grade, I have given the data type Vacha. Similarly, for the village table, there are 2 columns for ID and village. For the ID column, I have given the primary key and the data type int with an auto increment. For the village, I have given the data type as Vacha. Same with the transport table, there are 2 columns for ID and transport method. For ID, I have given the primary key, data type int and an auto increment. For transport method, I have given the data type Vacha. The 3 tables, transport, village and grade, have a one-to-many relationship with the student table. Here in the grade table, I have changed the Vacha length for the grade column as 5 because we don't need the Vacha length to be 45. Then I forward engineer the ER diagram. I will be inserting the data to the database using SQL. See the Kabidikollawa School database in the database list and you can see the 4 tables there. I will be inserting the data to the 4 tables graphically. three join queries here. First, to select all students who study in grade 6. For this query, we have to join the student table and the grade table. We can join these two tables through the grade ID column in the student table and the ID column in the grade table. In the next query, we have to select birthdays of the students who come from Padaviya by bus. In this query, we have to join the student table, the village table and the transport table. We can join these by the village ID column and the transport ID column in the student table and the ID columns of the village table and the transport table. In the next query, we have to select the names of students who study in grade 9, come from Mihintale on foot. For this query, we have to join all four tables. We can join them by the grade ID, village ID and transport ID columns in the student table and the ID columns of the other three tables.